Cool.
Hi guys, so I'll be recording this another video on the employee scheduling question. So basically, this is a big statement. I'll just give you a brief. Basically, a firm is starting. They have to reduce the number of workforce due to COVID, and they said that minimum number of employees that will be required on each day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are the minimum number of employees that has to be employed. Now the question says that they want to know when should this employee start. So let's say if the employee starts on Monday. So I'll read through the question once. So rapidly intensifying economic effect of COVID on the world is proving to far worse than the financial crisis. This FAF. Uh, okay. Now consulting firm is okay. A consulting firm is planning to schedule employees to provide adequate service. As some of its employees are tested COVID positive, a firm wants to find a schedule that uses the fewest number of employees and meets all the daily workforce requirement. So our objective function will be to reduce the total number of employees that they have, and while meeting these requirements. Then the firm says that firm estimates different number of full-time employees required on each day. The full-time employees requirement per day is given in Excel. The HR head of the firm has decided that every employee must work for 5 consecutive days and then receive 2 days off. The firm wants to meet the daily requirement using only full-time employees. Its objective is to minimize the number of full-time employees on its payroll to achieve daily workforce requirement. Um, with an objective to minimize the virus infection and not to pressurize the employees during the pandemic situation. So I'll just go through this solution on Excel. So basically, if the employee starts on Monday, so let's say there are 6 people who start on Monday, then they'll work from Monday to Friday. If there are 3 people who start on Tuesday, they will work from Tuesday to Saturday, and so on. So basically what we have to build is this table. So I'll just delete this table once and start afresh. So just make a column like this and put any random numbers, or you can put one or anything. This is the total number of employees that are required
Rohan,
on.
the screen is frozen.
Okay.
Rohan, the screen is frozen. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. Prompt तो आया था कि I'll change to. Look, कहाँ तक वो था?
I don't know. You were explaining on the this problem, but I thought that you were stuck here. जैसे ही तूने बोला कि I'll delete this, तो I realized that you had moved on to the
अच्छा
Excel,
अच्छा.
but
अभी
Excel
देख
दिखाई नहीं दे
अभी
रहा
दिख
था.
रहा?
नहीं, अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा.
Look, maybe I shared only Excel. मतलब only वो screen share. अभी दिख रहा है?
Yeah, अब दिख रहा है.
हाँ, ठीक है. So basically what the question says is these are the um, so there can be X number of employees on Monday. If the employee joins on Monday, they can work from Monday to Friday. So here Monday to Friday, these employees will be working on Monday to Friday. Then whoever joins on Tuesday will work from Tuesday to Saturday. Whoever joins from Wednesday will work from Wednesday to Sunday. And Thursday wala will work for 4 days over here and 1 day over here. So what we'll do over here is just build a table. This is the total number of employees that are required on each day. So for Monday, it's 17, Tuesday, 13 is given in the question. Now, basically what I have to do is equal to this number. Just put in some random numbers to start, and then solver will give you the actual number. So you can put this now so that there's no shifting. So if I drag this, this will shift the number. So what I will do, so this will become 0. Um, what I will do is fix this number. So just press F4. This will fix the number. Now just copy this to the all the 5 cells. Then the next one is equal to this, fix it, and then copy it for 5 days. Then the next one is again this, fix it, copy it for 5 more days, and you have to just build this table in this way. So F4 for here, it will be 4 days over here. uh, 1 second, copy and then paste over here. For the next one, equal to 0, then sorry, fix it, right, copy 2 days over here, 3 days over here. Last one is equal to Saturday, fix this, copy this here, and 3 more days over here. And for the Sunday one, just equal to this one, F4, and copy this for 4 more days over here. Okay, now let me just delete these variables because this was given as solver. I'll just put one just in case to make sure that, see, so what we have to do is put a sum function over here. So this will put the sum of all the people who are on Monday like this, and copy that function here. Now this total should be equal to 17, 13. So this should be not equal to, but this should be at least sorry, greater than equal to, because this is the minimum number of employees that are required. So in all these cells, it should be greater than equal to. So my by changing cells will be uh, here. This one would be my by changing cells in solver, and my objective function would be to minimize the total number of employees. Total number of employees is basically sum of all these. So all of these employees would be the sum of. So we are assuming that the company does not have any existing employees, and these are the people being hired on each day. So bold, yeah. So now we'll do the solver part. Go to data, then solver. So I'll just reset all. Okay. So set objective. So here what I have to do is set objective. Objective would be this one, and would be to minimize. So minimize this objective by changing cells. Cells would be these. Okay. Now click on add. Uh, my objective would be this should be greater than equal to this one. Click on add. Another objective that another constraint rather that I should put is that these people should be integers, because one person, it can't be a 1.5 people, so these should be integers. Click on OK. And now if we run this solver problem, so here's solution. Wait, I went to the wrong, I think. Yeah. So there are 23 employees, and so you can see all of these are being met. Here it's exceeding, but that is fine. Here is also exceeding. But this is the minimum number of employees that required um, to run this organization, right? त्रिपाठी कोई question?
नहीं, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं.
ठीक है. So thank you guys. I hope this one helps. If I get more time, I'll record more. But these are the 2 new recordings for now. Best of luck.